In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up long-term goals in Asana. We'll walk through how to create a clear long-term goal, add context and milestones, link it to the real work your team is doing, and keep it updated without extra effort. By the end, you'll have a reliable system that turns big ambitions into trackable outcomes. Start by heading to the Goals area in Asana. On the left sidebar, click Goals. Here, choose whether you're creating a company goal, a team goal, or a personal goal. Pick the scope that matches who's accountable and who needs visibility. Company goals ladder down to teams, team goals guide collective work, and personal goals help individuals contribute with clarity. Click New Goal to open the Setup window. This is where you define what success looks like and how you'll measure it. Begin with a strong goal name. Keep it specific and measurable, like increase revenue to 500K in 2025 or launch V2 to 100K active users. In the description, capture the purpose, the strategy you'll follow, and the broad timeline so anyone viewing the goal understands the plan at a glance. Assign an owner so responsibility is clear, then set a due date that reflects the end of your long-term horizon, such as December 31st, 2025. Next, choose the goal type. Select company objective when it drives organization-wide outcomes, team objective when the work sits within a single group, or individual long-term goal for personal development or role-based outcomes. This selection helps with reporting and alignment later on. Decide how progress will be tracked. You can update progress manually, which is simple and flexible, or automatically by connecting the goal to tasks or projects in Asana. Automatic tracking is great when you have well-structured work already in place because status rolls up without extra data entry. Add milestones to break the journey into checkpoints. Click Add Sub-Goal or Milestone and create markers like Q1 results, Q2 results, Q3 results, and Q4 results. These checkpoints make long timelines feel manageable and help you celebrate steady progress. Connect relevant projects so the goal reflects actual execution. For example, if your goal is to grow a YouTube channel to 100K subscribers, you might link projects like Content Calendar 2025, Video Ideas Pipeline, and Shorts Strategy. Linking projects clarifies where the work lives and how it contributes. Finally, track progress regularly. As tasks, subtasks, and connected projects move forward, your goal will auto-update. If you chose manual tracking, review the goal on a consistent cadence and adjust the progress to reflect reality. That's all you need to set up long-term goals in Asana that stay aligned, visible, and achievable.